Erasers are good for so much more than just correcting your mistakes. I'm going to show you 5 better ways to use them. You might want to pencil in some time to try these tricks. First up, ever get a frame home from the store, you remove the price tag and you've got that icky sticker residue? Not anymore. You can clean it seamlessly with a pencil eraser. Now what about silver? It gets really tarnished and gross. If you don't want to buy expensive polish cleaner, you can use an eraser to remove all of that residue easily. And third, on to batteries. You have a dying battery, you take your eraser, you rub it on the contact points, and you're gonna get a little more juice. But that's not it. I've got another trick. Follow me to my mudroom. And fourth, you can use a pencil eraser to clean suede. Now for something like a boot, I like to use a bigger eraser versus just your teeny pencil eraser. And you're just going to take an inconspicuous area first just to test it and go like this, just to brush the suede and remove any scuffs or marks. Voila! And finally, a pencil eraser makes an awesome earring backing. You just pop it off and pop it on your earring in a pinch. Also, I had a great pair of earrings that I love, but I lost one. You can use it as a pin with a pencil eraser as a backing. And that's it. 5 better ways to use a pencil eraser.